Check it out. Sonvia's on the hoist. It's so much easier to work on. Oh, what have I been doing? Okay, so today guys, I'm going to drop all the oils in the Sonvia. We're going to look at the filter, we're going to cut that open the ghetto style. Not with the proper tool, we're going to do it the Jack Jones way, and you guys will see that. We're then going to go pay a visit to my mate Dan, all the way down in Lonsdale, or not Lonsdale, but it's down way down south. It's like almost 2-hour drive. He's got some tyres for me for this weekend. He went and picked them up because the only place that had them was down at Scott's Tyres, all the way down there, and they were the last 10 available at his shop, and they've sold out statewide pretty much. Long story short, there's a massive tyre shortage for the summer series this weekend, but I hope everyone's got their tyres sorted. Firstly, just like to say massive thanks to Northern Tyre Service. Scotty down there, he looks after the cars and their wheel alignment setups, and he also changes a hell of a lot of tyres for me. And yeah, just wanted to give him a shout out. If you guys are from the Gawler region or whatever, hit up Northern Tyre Service. They yeah, they're good blokes. They got awesome prices on tyres, and yeah, they've been helping me out for years. So I just wanted to give Scotty a shout out, because even though he's always flat out, he always fits me in. So thanks, Scotty. But yeah, let's get on to dropping the oil out the engine and checking the filter out, and we'll also drop the fluid out the gearbox, make sure there's no funky bits in there. It's going to be an interesting video, I think. And we also did a little bit of work this morning. Chia logged onto the computer and he had a bit of a play around. We changed all the logging. So my initial thought, well, I was actually talking to Chia about it, and he looked at how quick it logs the oil pressure, and it was actually quite slow, which was really weird. So he tried to upgrade it at the track last weekend. It wouldn't let us. So now we've got that all sorted, and it's logging it quicker. So as I'm on off throttle and whatnot, the oil pressure should be like, yeah, exactly the same, or you know, there shouldn't be any like lag there or variance. So we may have never had an oil pressure issue, but we'll find out very soon when we check the filter and see if we got any funky bits in there. But I'm also going to change oils for this weekend, but let's get cracking. Okay. Alright, so there's been a small change of plans. We were going to obviously look at the oil in the Sonvia. That's probably still dripping. I've left that to drain at the chop shop, and now we're at Dan's house. So I just reversed up, and I don't know if you can see it from here, but Dan's got some pretty cool stuff happening in his shed. And he's also changing all my rims for the tyres that he picked up for me too. He's a legend. Anyway, let's go see him. Oh, look at this! Hell! Look at the progression! God damn! Hey Dan!
Oh, I'm just waiting for you.
I better load him up. Look at him, he's changing all my tyres. Hey buddy.
It's not skin, but it's like
get all the rims, make sure Dan doesn't have any brakes. Done, guys. Thanks, Dan. Legend.
That's alright, mate.
It's like, what, 9? Almost 10 o'clock on a Friday night.
It's alright, it's not school.
Still got 2 kids that he should be looking after, but he's got this big kid to look after. Oh, true.
Yeah, you should be in bed.
Anyway, the reason we're here, guys, Dan's new drift car, 370Z.
Didn't you come in to change tyres?
No, I didn't come here just to change tyres. I come to look at this thing. Look at the wheels he's picked out.
Oh, they're crap. They're off the stage, yeah.
All right, so let's get a rundown. The engine looks very familiar, and I'm just looking at you. Like, so Dan's got the black S13. You guys all know Dan, but if you don't, he's the one with this S13 with the 1.5J in it, and it looks like he's ripped it straight out and put it in here, but he's gonna have to tell us everything. What's going on here? Is this like a good engine, good to go, with no cams?
Yeah, well, this is a dummy engine, so we can put metal filings and whatever we want into it, and it doesn't matter.
Ripper.
So it's got a roll bearing on number 6, so I've got another new crank for it. It's
Oh,
over
cool.
on the floor, so a new crank will go in. We won't take too much of the magic out of it, so we'll just keep the standard pistons in it.
Yep.
New rings and bearings. Get some cams for it. I've got some tech cams hopefully coming, and that's it really. That's the whole motor done.
Is that so? It'll be pretty much exactly the same as.
Same as that, same cams.
Yep.
Except it's been rebuilt, where the other one has never been rebuilt.
8 years of abuse. Stock 2J bottom end.
NA2J bottom end.
That is just ridiculous.
Second-hand head gasket.
When you see how much crap I go through with my RBs.
It's over there on the floor.
Oh, it is too. But
You don't want to look at that.
No,
it's
not-
just the same engine.
yeah, pretty much.
It's just got a leaky rear main seal, and I needed the gearbox to pre-fit all this up. So this has got the G-force hiding back there.
Oh, it does. Ah. So Dan's actually going to be making his own inlet manifold. So that's what's going on here. Dan is also, he made the engine mounts. He is also making the exhaust manifold.
So that's off Dean's car. I'm fixing a crack on that, but that was just a mock-up to see what fits and
Yep.
how. I'll go low mount, but
Yep.
that's a mock-up for a high mount, but it probably won't fit this. Yeah, there should be a fair way over because it won't fit the turbo on.
There's a lot of room in the front, eh? Like,
Yeah, once you put
so you're still going to put radiator in the front,
in the front.
intercooler, all that
Okay,
good stuff.
doing the rest of that.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough.
Once you fill that up with a radiator, which is that one there, that's what's going in there.
Oh wow, what the hell was that out of?
It's out of a 100 JZX100.
Oh yeah.
It'll go, once I've done the inlet manifold and the exhaust, I can start doing the tube front. So this will have full tube front on it.
And Dan's doing the cage himself as well.
With the help of the magic, Craig helps.
Helps is helping.
He's helping.
He's the one. So the RBM3 was done by Dan and Craig. It was like a collaboration thing. Craig got sick of working on it, so Dan finished it.
He went back to work and I went to his shed at night by myself.
Yeah, and I think I only found out at the end. I don't even think I knew that was all happening.
It was a secret.
Yeah.
Craig couldn't tell me anything because it was a secret. You told him that it was all a secret.
Oh, the whole car was. Yeah, yeah, it was.
Not now.
No, not now. Everyone knows about it.
Too many people.
Yeah. So you're gonna do the full like cage that comes out. Show us the inside. I'm
I
curious.
don't really need a cage like yours.
No.
Because I'm only little. And you've got big arms, so
So standard pedal box, that'll work?
standard pedal box, yep.
Yeah.
Yep, so that's, you can see in the front there. So that's all standard remote booster.
Oh, wow.
Remote master,
Yep.
all that sort of stuff. That's all standard. So they'll go back in. We'll just ABS delete. The standard 370 brakes will stay on it because they're huge.
Yeah, I've seen them before.
So even the rears are huge.
The freaking size of the bloody things.
I think the handbrakes are pretty crap, so we might have to sort some sort of hydraulic out.
Yeah, you're not going to do like a twin caliper thing on the back?
I'm not sure. I haven't
Yeah.
really looked into that yet.
Yep.
I need to. So you can't even see the G-force.
Oh, yeah, wow.
So we were talking about.
Oh,
the
yeah, we
brackets,
got to
what
get.
you've got on
Yep,
yours, so
because mine's 26.
6 or 7. That's a 23.
Oh, so it's only 3 inches.
Yeah, but that'll make a difference. We can make something else work.
And then just cut a hole. Cause,
Yeah, we can cut a hole wherever we want. And then
You just
fill
make
that
a
back
dog leg
in. Yeah.
or something for the
yeah,
shifter.
Yeah, because they're pretty good with the shifters. We're going to attempt to make that standard cluster work, but I don't know how that'll happen.
Yeah, I don't know much about
Dean
electronics.
will do a spreadsheet and it'll work.
So this is going to be a full budget build, like a proper
Yeah,
budget build, but it will still be a ridiculously good car.
yeah. Luckily, I'm a fabricator
Yeah.
because otherwise it wouldn't happen. You just couldn't do it.
Yep.
And I've got like a new engine builder on board as well.
Oh, Jack Jones.
Mm.
Hey!
He also customises in gearbox. He breaks them himself and he pre-builds them.
Yeah, I can look after your G-force too.
Yeah.
Just don't use the same oil I use.
No, I won't take that recommendation off you. So yeah, this will have a full cage in it.
Yep.
Full cam spec cage for the tarmac rally. With both X's in the back, so it's all approved. The interior will be pretty basic. You know, you don't need much. You need some switches.
Full race.
Seat. We'll paint it up all nice. It'll leave the standard fuel tanks in there.
Oh
You
yeah.
can get those two metal plates. I think they balance out.
Oh wow.
So you can buy in-tank pumps.
Yep.
I think 1,000 horsepower in-tank pumps. So it deletes all your surge tanks, all the other feeder pumps you need, and that sort of stuff.
Rims. Have you got any choice on rims? Decision made yet?
Yeah, there was some Lenzos we were looking at.
Yep.
But they're out of stock.
Freaking hell, Lenzo, lift your game.
So yeah, I want something with dish.
Yep.
Because I think this car needs something with dish to
Because they're
fill
big.
the guards.
The only reason I ask is because
The guard's huge.
yeah, that's a 17 too, guys. So
17 by 9.5.
Yeah,
The other side's got shit 19s on it.
it's almost flush already.
Yeah, but that's a big offset. They fit over like that. They'll had 25mm spaces on the front of that,
Yeah.
and that was still wide. But yeah, something with some dish, some 10.5s on the rear, some 9.5 on the front, plus 22. I think they do for the front of these.
Yep.
Suspension wise, I'm not sure. We might do some
Yep.
cut and shut knuckles. We'll
Yep.
do some cheap research into how we're going to make it all work. We'll try some Sonvia tricks with some.
Actually, while we're on that, if anyone's watching this and they've got a bit of history on 370Zs,
yeah, it'd be great just to have some information.
Yeah.
About what they probably use.
like anything from that can help Dan out.
Yeah, from backyarders to big companies that have done other work.
Yeah. So even if there's like a GK Tech equivalent, like quick knuckle thing.
Yeah, they do a 350Z one.
Yeah, but not a 370.
370. I just don't know if there's a huge amount of difference.
Like Dan's not going to go buy a wise fab, just so you guys know.
No.
He wants.
If someone's got one, I could copy it.
Yeah. We can call it wise crab.
Yeah. Good crap.
Yeah.
I could draw it up on the
Wise
TIG.
squid.
I could draw it up on the TIG and on the CAD and we could make one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it'd be a budget build, but no different to the Sonvia I've got now. That's a pretty budget build and it's still a competitive car.
And it freaking works good.
Yeah, and supposedly these have got more grip than an S13.
Yeah, I'm excited to see this,
In a street car
this
version.
turn out. So as Dan does build this, I'm going to try and come back and see how the progress is going because it's going to be.
It won't look a huge amount of difference. The outside is done. That's how it'll be.
Ooh. So it's going to stay black.
Yeah, and the rims have sort of looked like a little bit like this side. So with a bit of dish, silver dish, black inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what we want to go for. Yeah.
It's going to be freaking cool.
But yeah.
Have you got a timeline on it?
Well, it'll probably start speeding up now and stop crashing the S13. And working on it, and I'm going to miss a few rounds of the state series, so it's all on your shoulders to win.
Oh, right. We still got bloody Dean.
Yeah.
Dean can do it.
Yeah, Dean stopped working on the weekends.
If I keep driving the way I'm driving, I ain't going to win.
Oh yeah, but you're
crashing into people.
spectacular. Yeah, I'm crashing into people as well. Yeah, so we've got a few things coming up there soon. I've got to have that clean and ready by the end of the year.
Yep. So obviously the engine box is out of that because you're test fitting it all into here.
Yeah.
Yep.
The engine's over there. It just needs rear main seal.
Yeah.
People have asked how what it look like inside, but we're not pulling it apart.
No. You don't pull the magic.
No, there's all magic.
Yeah.
It's not even dust.
It's all magic.
Sparks.
Hell.
Of course, we've got a video with a dog in it because Dean does and you do, so you're at my house now.
Oh,
Someone's got to bark.
It's going to work. I'm pretty excited about this because this will look real good next to the Beamer.
Yeah. Even though we just do some car park shows and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But who cares?
Yeah, who
As
cares?
long as it looks cool and it's nice and low.
They're demo cars.
Yeah. We just got to get bookings for demos.
Yeah.
So if anyone's got some buck shows, 21st birthday parties or anything, they want drift rides and
you want some skids?
Yeah,
hire me and Dan.
Yeah, we'll come along.
Yeah. Put on a show.
Yeah.
It won't be cheap, but you know.
Hey. Quality's not cheap. Quality's never cheap.
It'll be the most entertaining show you've ever had.
Oh yeah.
I think we're going to wrap it up there, Dan.
Yeah, need to get to work.
Yeah. Well, yeah, you do.
Oh,
You got a lot to do. We'll talk electronics and all that fun stuff when the time comes because there'll be a lot happening in that area very soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty exciting.
That'd be good.
Yeah.
We're gonna actually upgrade from a Microtech.
Yeah. Finally!
Although there's nothing wrong with the
No,
quality
there's
of
not.
Microtech.
There's not.
That engine's been going for 8 years with a Microtech.
It's
and
ridiculous.
Sounds really good on limited.
I can't believe it, to be honest. But no, we'll wrap it up there, and I think we're going to start doing like a Daniel's bloody 370Z build, and then so once we get to part 2, we'll add it on to all this. And actually, are we going to build an engine? Can we?
Yeah.
Even if I'm not here, I'll get you to film.
Alright.
And then
You
we'll
can
just,
come around.
all right.
I need the moral support.
We should. I need to tell you how to put the bearings in because it's pretty
Yeah,
hard.
yeah, I know. You're an expert now.
I'm a professional engine builder because mine lasted one event. Well, it's still going, guys. It's not.
Generally, engines don't get built and then go straight to limiter.
No, but they do.
Yours did.
In our world.
And so, hey,
we
proof's
got
in the pudding.
Yeah, we got to do it. But speaking of, I got to get home and we got to check out that oil and the filter and see if my job was good or not.
Yeah.
So then you'll hire me after that if it's good or bad.
Yeah, I need some reports.
All right, Dan. Cheers, mate.
Alright, we'll see everyone Sunday.
See you guys. Nothing to bloody worry about. Hell, that is a freaking good feeling. It's time to beat on the Sonny again this Sunday. God, I can't wait.